Okay, to look up a fault code for Kenworths, you want to go to Service, into ServiceNet, and then inside of here you have multiple options. So the service manuals are under Service, and then the vendor service manuals are under Vendor. So this would be third-party stuff. ConMet, Eaton, Cummins, Bendix, stuff that Kenworth buys and puts on their trucks. Stuff that is Kenworth proprietary would be under Service. So let's look up a fault code for a CECU. I had one for a fuel level sensor. It had a code 82903. So I would want to go to the Kenworth side, go to Class 8. Medium duty is Class 7. If you're at a body shop, collision repair tells you how to take the cab stuff apart. And then find the area that I want to work on. So this is proprietary stuff. I want to go to electrical because I need to look up the CECU codes. So I need to find the manual for the CECU. Now this does have everything. So you can see BCAB stuff. BCAB is like a T660. NGP is a 680. That's a new generation product. And then there's the T2000 down here. So we want to find the electrical service manual for the new trucks. So that's right here, multiplex electrical system manual for an NGP. So I'm going to click on that, download it. All right, once you got the manual open, you can see you got table of contents over here. You can click directly, or we can just use Control F again to look for the fault code. Control F. Here's my little one. Remember our code was 82903 for a fuel level circuit problem. So I'm going to hit next. And it found my fault code right here. So you can see I'm right down here, diagnostic trouble code. So this DTC will be recorded when it sees an open circuit in the fuel level sensor input. But it's also linked, so I can just click on it and it takes me directly to some of the troubleshooting stuff. So I can see the fuel level sensor looks like it's hardwired to a chassis node, and then the chassis node sends it over the data link, the FCAN, to the CECU. So that was good to know. So now I want to go look at the wiring and see how this works. You know, where's the chassis node? That's another thing you can look up. So I could just put in chassis node. It's going to look everywhere in the manual for chassis node. There's going to be a lot of stuff. So let me start at the beginning. Hit next a couple times. Chassis node location. So this manual will tell us where the stuff is.